that, Chelsea. Oh. I'm sore. I did kickboxing class today.
Okay, now. Alright, just sit like this, like you're chilling, like a villain.
I'm just chilling like a villain.
Alright, now, like this. Just now put the right leg over. And
I'm gonna pop this baby out.
take these off my windows. Okay. Put your head on the floor, like a whore.
Yeah. You almost look like a whore, is that what she said?
Oh my god.
There you go.
I'm not trying this. I'm gonna break my back.